Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this experiment now. So I need to just collect a few of my things. Hold the line, please. Hi guys, so here I'm going to try and show you how to do the experiment that I've described in the worksheet that you have. Good luck. It's easy, I promise. So, I have a straw. This is quite a hard straw, not the usual flexible types, but a normal straw will work just fine. I also have 2 of these clamps. This will just make it easier for me to attach the string, but it's not important, you can use sellotape. I also have, most important, a balloon. Lastly, I have a ball of string. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make sure my string is long enough to reach from the back of this chair to this. So I'm going to measure with a little bit extra to make sure it's long enough. I also have a pair of scissors, but it's not necessary. I'm just going to make it easier for myself and cut the string. So I've measured my length and cut the string so I can get rid of this so it's not in my way. I'm going to take one end of the string and I'm going to attach it to one of my clips. Remember, you can use sellotape if it's easier for you. With the other end of the string, I'm going to attach it to the green. So now, both ends of the string are attached to the clips. Now, I'm going to thread the straw onto one of the ends of the string. Like this. I'm going to thread it through. Why I'm doing it with my left hand, I don't know. I'm not left-handed. Oh, yeah, maybe that's why, because I'm a bit clumsy with my, well, hands. Like this. Now I'm going to inflate my balloon, the most important part. I have a couple of extra balloons just in case. Okay, I'm going to use the clip on the end of the balloon just to stop the air escaping. It's possible that you can tie a loose knot, though I wouldn't recommend that because it might make it hard for you to undo the knot. You can always ask someone to hold it for you, or you can do this part last. Now for the most important part. So I have some sticky tape here. I found some bright yellow sticky tape, but normal sellotape will do the job just fine. This is only to make it easy for you to see what I'm doing. So I just need a little bit of tape. And what I'm going to do is attach the balloon to the straw. So this could be dodgy, have to try not to burst the balloon. I'm going to stick the tape to the straw, and then I'm going to attach the little bits that are sticking to my fingers to the balloon. And then, can you see now, the straw is now attached to the balloon. Now what I'm going to do is attach one of the clips to the back of this chair here. Like so. Then I'm going to pull the string so it's relatively taut, and I'm going to pull it all the way back here until it gets to this desk. Are you ready for the experiment now? Okay, let's try this. So very gently, I'm going to put the balloon right at the top. I'm going to take away the green clip that's holding the mouth of the balloon together, and we'll see what happens to the balloon. Watch. 7, 6, 5, 4, ignition sequence starts. 3, 2, 1, lift off. We have lift off. Literally. And that's how rockets work. Just for the sake of science, I'm going to see if I can make this rocket travel upwards, because that part is higher than this part. That's enough, I think. Now, don't forget that this is where the exhaust is. So, because I want it to go upwards, I have to make sure that this is now facing this end. Again, I'm going to attach the straw to the balloon. Let's watch this and see if the balloon will travel upwards. Are you ready? 5, ignition sequence starting. 3, 2, 1, we are go for liftoff.